For the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the brand new OPPO F33 Pro, a smartphone that's creating serious buzz in the market. But is it really worth your money, or just another overhyped device? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the OPPO F33 Pro looks absolutely stunning. It features a sleek, premium body with a glossy finish that instantly catches attention. The phone feels lightweight in hand, yet solid enough to give you that flagship vibe. OPPO has clearly focused on style here, making it a perfect choice for users who love elegant and modern designs. Moving on to the display, this phone comes with a large AMOLED screen that delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks. Whether you're watching YouTube, scrolling through social media, or gaming, the experience feels smooth and immersive. The high refresh rate ensures fluid animations, making every swipe feel fast and responsive. Now let's talk about performance. The OPPO F33 Pro is powered by a capable processor that handles daily tasks with ease. From multitasking to gaming, the phone performs quite well without major lag. Apps open quickly, and switching between them is smooth. For casual gamers, this device will definitely get the job done. When it comes to the camera, OPPO never disappoints. The F33 Pro features a powerful camera setup that captures sharp and detailed photos. In daylight, the images come out crisp with accurate colors. Even in low light, the camera manages to retain good detail thanks to OPPO's image processing. The selfie camera is also impressive, perfect for social media lovers who want clear and vibrant selfies. Battery life is another strong point of this phone. It packs a long-lasting battery that can easily get you through a full day of usage. And the best part? Fast charging. With OPPO's fast charging technology, you can power up your phone in no time, which is super convenient for busy users. On the software side, the phone runs on OPPO's custom UI, which is smooth and user-friendly. You get a lot of useful features, customization options, and a clean interface that enhances the overall experience. However, no phone is perfect. While the OPPO F33 Pro shines in many areas, it might not be the best choice for heavy gamers looking for top-tier performance. Also, some users might prefer a more stock Android experience instead of a custom UI. So, should you buy the OPPO F33 Pro? If you're looking for a stylish smartphone with a great display, solid camera performance, and reliable battery life, then yes, this phone is definitely worth considering. It's a well-balanced device that offers good value for money. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content. Thanks.